Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Once again, it's 5cc. So guys, first thing I would like to share with you my opinions on shopping. That's why I want to start with today. So me, as I'm a busy person, so I do not have time to go, I do not have that amount of time to go outside and shop and do a window shopping. So it's very tiring and it's inconvenient for me because I have a lot of work at home and going out. So guys, we as a woman, sometimes we are not comfortable to travel outside. We are so comfy at our homes, in our daily home jobs. Like there's a lot of work at home to do and we also do not have the time to go out. So how I do my shopping is, what I do is I scroll to a lot of shopping apps, the normal apps like Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra, Meesho. So these are the many varieties of apps which I go and scroll on these apps. I make my time, like when I'm sitting for 15 minutes free or I have something that I need to do in this time. So what I do is, during this 15 minutes of time, I just take my time to scroll through the apps and choose a variety of tops, kurtis and all the variety of clothing. I put it in my cart on each shopping apps, and what I do is I do not purchase them at one go. I go and find out, I make a review of it, I do a research of how it is, the quality, and because sometimes when we purchase it, we are not happy with what we purchase. But I take my time to purchase these clothing that I shop on the shopping apps. After purchasing them, I am happy because I do a research and then I purchase them. And we are not familiar with the types of varieties of clothing that are there outside when we are not going out. So these are the clothing that we find on the shopping apps where we have time just to scroll to a smartphone. And also it's easy to purchase them. These tops are just between the range of 2 to 500 rupees only, and they are very simple and affordable tops that you can wear for your daily wear, for your events and also for your office wear. So guys, this is the video I would like to share with you. If you want to know more, stay tuned on my channel and click on the bell icon and subscribe so that you will know what I purchased. Now these are the tops that I'm going to share with you, what I purchased for a month. That's last month. That's the video I'm making today. And if you want to know the tops that I'm going to purchase for the next month, please tune into Spicy and click on the bell icon for more updates. Here I start. So this is another simple top, a western top that I purchased from any of these apps that I told you. So this is a front design. I love the red and black color. So this is a stretchy neck top and it's a very light top, half sleeves. And this is a back side of it. I really love the back side with the 3 droplet buttons, and it has a V open below. Wow guys, I'm really loving the reddish kind of color and feel of this top. And this is a good to go top. This will go matching with my black trousers and also for my red trouser as well. So this is a good to go top for my party wear, for my event wear and for my work. I really love this top. It's a very light and stretchy material. Wow. And this I can wear for my party wear, especially at the back design on it. And guys, the second one which I would share with you is the kurti dress that I'm wearing today. It looks like a dress, but this is a 3/4 sleeve. It's a very light material, floral print kurti. I really love this. I've shared this. I posted a review of this in one of my videos. You can check it out. And this is how the full length kurti looks like. I promised that I'll wear it in one of my videos. So today I'm wearing it just to make this video for you guys. It has got 3 buttons that looks like a dress and a small belt at the back that gives this kurti a good feel. So the second dress that I purchased is this one. I love the polka print and it's a full knee length dress with a polyester material. So the neckline has a pearl kind of button in the front that makes this dress quite awesome. This is a very simple dress with half sleeves, not sleeveless, so it gives a good fall and when you wear it, it gives a good look, like a umbrella kind of dress this is. And it's a totally plain and simple dress, but if you wear it on your party wear, event or office wear, this dress will make your event look well. The next one, I love black and white. So this is a different kind of design that I purchased. So this is a sleeveless kind of dress. It's a dress, a short mini dress, or you can wear it with your leggings, grey, silver and white, which will match well. So this has got a panda kind of black fall and a pure white centerpiece that makes this a good party wear dress. I really love the side look of the black and white. Not only that, the back side of it has got elastic that holds your dress firmly, and this is stretchable elastic, and it's a very good looking dress, guys. This you can wear for your party wear, event, and also for your formal wear. That makes your outing go great. I really love the fall of the black and white, pure in center and with a two strap kind of top. You can wear it with your jacket if you do not want to go sleeveless. I'm comfortable wearing a jacket, a black jacket or a white jacket. This will look awesome, guys. It's very light and this material is a cotton material. So these are all for a light wash, where you can do a light wash for your clothing. This is another black and white design that I would like to share with you. Wow, I really love. This is a mini short kurta with an umbrella kind of design. This is a 3/4 sleeves. I really love the sleeves on this. And this is a good to go top. I really love this, guys, because the neckline has got a U neck and the back side of it is very simple. But if you pair this with your black trousers or white trousers, this is an awesome piece to go. You can also match it up with your greyish trouser, a dark greyish trouser or a light trouser. This will look well, and it's a polyester stretchy material and it's a very comfortable cloth. It has no inner lining, but it has got a big roses kind of floral design. If you look thoroughly on the print, this is a good to go outfit. I really love this, guys. So guys, this was my shopping for the last one which I showed, and I loved shopping. These are the amazing designs and tops that you get. I purchased a normal t-shirt. Now this is for my picnics, or if I want to go to a beach. This is what I purchased, a white t-shirt, simple t-shirt print, United States. So I really love the design on it with the grayish kind of feel. And this is a pure white, full pure cotton t-shirt that makes this t-shirt look great. It's Polar Association. Backside is simple, only the print in the center. So this you can wear for your daily wear or when you're going to a beach or any kind of outing. So I purchased this t-shirt. This is how I do my shopping. So guys, if you want to know more of my this month shopping, don't forget to click the bell icon and stay tuned on Spicy C for more. Take care, guys. Bye bye.